Today, I am going to teach you how to remove noise from your videos and take your videos from this to this in just a couple of clicks. So this is how I color corrected this video and removed the noise. Mind you, at this point, I have not color graded it. So if you want to color correct your video, open your DaVinci and import your footage in DaVinci. And then you go to your color page. First off, you are going to transform the color space. We shot in Canon EOS R, so I'm going to choose the Canon Cinema Gamut. Canon Cinema Gamut as my input color space and my input gamma as Canon log. If you are shooting with Canon R5C, it is in log 3. So now I go to my output color space, which is Rec 709, which is the standard, and then your output gamma space. It's usually 2.4 for TV screens, but since this is mobile content, I use 2.2. Now you can see that this footage has a lot of noise, and you might ask, why did I put my color space transform in my last node? That is because we want that to be the last information that the footage receives before you export and process it. So every other thing that you do here will pass through this node and then go out when you export. So now let us do what brought us here, reduce the noise. Now I am using DaVinci Studio, which is a paid version. I have not explored if this feature is in the free version, but if you're using the paid version, you go to your color tab, you are still in your color tab, you go to this motion effects, this icon right here, you click on it, and then you go to your temporary noise reduction. You have temporary noise reduction and spatial noise reduction. Temporary noise reduction is, as I understand it, it is usually used for static images that do not have a lot of motion, images that do not have a lot of movement. Spatial noise reduction helps in reducing noise in images that has a lot of movement, that's spatial, that's 3D and all that. So now you can now go to the number of frames. I like using 4, you add 4, and then you make it to be better, and then you make your motion range to be medium, and then you come to your temporal stretch threshold. You tweak your luma and chroma. Luma is for light, chroma is for color. So you want to reduce the noise in your light and in your color space. So you tweak it and you watch your edit tab. You watch it until you get what you like. So I tweak it. I think I like it around the 50 to 55 range, and I like mixing my spatial and my temporary noise reduction. So I go to my spatial also, make it better, and then medium to give me the best result. So as I tweak it to around that same range, 50-60 range, you can see that the noise is totally gone. Let's take it to this blue. So now I have not color corrected, I have not color graded this. This is just the raw footage after color transforming and removing the noise. Now I made a mistake here to put it in the last node, but usually you have to put it in the first node, right? You have to put it in the first node. So here is how we do this. I can now add some little sharpness by reducing this to around 47, and that is how you remove noise from your video. See you in the next one. Bye.